All right, and there it is, video number 4 for preparation, setup, installation of a above ground pool. Simple self-fill inflatable top tube. We got it full. We got the filter, everything going real well, and I'd highly advise you to get this is part 4, so if you missed 1, 2, or 3, check those out if you need installation instructions and simple install. What you got to do. Solar cover. This thing will take the temp up about 10 degrees more than normal daily temperatures. Turned out awesome. We've been in it a couple times since. I have chlorine floater. I highly recommend chemicals, but if you need to know chemicals, go for some other videos that address chemicals and balances and what have you. That's about it. Installation of an above ground pool. This is the Intex. It's a 10-footer. You got all different sizes, but they're fairly simple. If you start out with semi-flat yard, we didn't have to take too much off, but that's it. Hopefully all 4 videos get you simple enough instruction to enjoy a pool for summer. All right, good to go. Peace.